Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Leos, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Leos, in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Leos. So let's start with these cards. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Wheel of Fortune in reverse and King of Cups. So in your circumstances, Leos, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really devoted, guys, to your work or whatever you do. You have that strong determination, perseverance, and you want to do things in the right way and make efforts using all your skills and concentration. So you go the distance no matter what your situation is. And you are a very responsible person, caring for the people you love, caring for the people who are there with you. So you are a very, a good person, and you are in a good position in your life, guys. Maybe you have, you have that good job, that position with power and authority, and you handle your people, maybe the people you work with, in a friendly manner, guys, Leos. And in your relationship, Leos, maybe with this person you love, you are a true friend. You help them and guide them in every possible way, guys. And maybe you are too friendly, and this person may feel that your friendliness may be with everyone, that is causing some kind of negative thing for them. So they may not like the way you care for others, look after people in your life. You may have a lot of friends, and this person may be quite jealous of you, and they may feel that they cannot trust you, guys. They do not have that complete trust on you. So something is bothering them, something is worrying this person. So for some of you, even though you are proposing to them, you want marriage or commitment, this person may not be giving you the answer. So they are thinking, maybe they are they have not got that clarity. Maybe they are overthinking about you, guys, overthinking about this relationship, about you, and that may be the reason they are not giving you the answer. So you are someone good, maybe their doubts are unfounded, but whatever it is, they are still thinking what will be the answer to you or to your proposal or for your interest. So they are not stepping in with that seriousness in this relationship, guys. So for your career situation, guys, Leos, you are extremely successful today, guys, Leos, and you are seeing lucrative returns in your work. So everything going in the right way in your career situation. You are happy, successful. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos, for your general energies. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment, and rejection that you felt. And you instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced, and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship. And maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing, that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind, and be positive today. And that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys, you are you are a very compassionate person, and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys, and you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties. And you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills, and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others. So that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance, or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.